So since he's been doing this robotics, definitely his technical skills have really improved. He's fully into robotics, into coding, and he spends lots of time over here learning new skills. Besides that, I would say when you do robotics, it's not only about the making robots. It's besides the robots what you're learning, which is so important. As a mother, I feel I see so much of change in him. So he has so much of sportsman spirit has come into him. There is so much of time management. He balances his school studies along with spending so much of time over here. And I also see that he's very focused in whatever he's doing. That focus moves even towards the work when he's doing. He's not taking as much time in his studies because whatever time he's putting is fully focused and he's able to finish it off very fast. He's made lots of friends and he's also learned to move as a team. It's not about me anymore. It's always about us. That is how the whole thing. I feel as a child, as a human being, there has been lots of changes. So because of this, what he's doing, he has now decided that he wants a career plan in AI. This is what he wants to do, AI. And then not only AI, he keeps saying that I want to do AI and I also want to go to the world's best institute, the MIT. So, they have given dreams and then he's trying to fulfill those dreams in a very positive path he's moving towards.